ensure definition, ensure in a sentence, ensure pronunciation, ensure meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of ensure. 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 Ensure as a verb means to make certain that something will happen. Common usages in academic writing: to ensure that, to ensure safety, to ensure success, to ensure the data. Example sentences: ensure verb. 2 redundant computers recorded the measurements to ensure the data was saved should one computer fail. Example sentence number 2. The airline is taking steps to ensure safety on its aircraft. Example sentence number 3. A total of 35 males and females respectively were forced migrated 2,000 kilometers north, ensuring the survival of the species. Please write a sentence using ensure in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know ensure's pronunciation, ensure's meaning, and how to use ensure in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video. Bye!